how can Google AdSense help your business? Hey there, my friends. In our previous video, we were discussing how online advertising is designed to motivate people to get content out there, which you can thank on its business model. In particular, we've learned that Google AdSense is designed to push content creators and publishers to set up content sites that encourage repeat visitors, as that is the only way to generate revenue through the ads. And as we all know, businesses are all about creating a revenue stream that is generated either by offering something different or by offering something good at a more affordable rate than your competition. For those in the business of content creation, it means that you'll need to create a site that is either a niche in itself or one that offers really popular content with a spin. The good news is that by integrating AdSense into your targeted content platform, you will be able to monetize it the smart way. Here is a list of the ways that AdSense has really helped us to make the most out of our own content sites. AdSense pays the highest pay-per-click rates in the industry. One of the most highlighted advantages of the AdSense platform over all the other networks is that it really offers the best rates for publishers in the industry. This is because the Google Advertising Network is the largest ad network available, as well as the most popular, and it only allows top-notch content sites to join the network. That means that competition for ad placements between advertisers is quite strong, and you'll end up being paid as high as your ad slots are worth. The more relevant your content and the more visited your site is, the higher you will be paid per each click-through ad on your site. AdSense does not require you to complete actions. A lot of online marketers will recommend you to sign up to a CPA Network as an alternative to paid advertising. Yet they don't usually tell you about the effort that you'll need to put into monetizing the adverts offered by these networks. Because no matter how many clicks or views those advert units get, they won't earn you a penny until your visitors complete whatever action the network requires them to. AdSense ads won't require your visitors to complete any action beyond clicking through them. No matter how many times a visitor clicks on an ad without making a purchase, you will still get paid for it. AdSense allows you to manage multiple properties from one account. This is a feature not offered by many other ad networks. If you own more than one niche website, AdSense will allow you to manage several of them from a single account. AdSense is easy to integrate. You can easily integrate AdSense ads into your online properties by copying a simple line of code from your AdSense account and pasting it onto your site. You won't need to pay anyone to do it for you, cutting on expenses. AdSense automatically selects ads for you. If you are running a website, you are well aware about how much time you need to focus on content creation. That is why AdSense automatically places the most relevant ads on your site, saving you the time that you would otherwise spend looking for them yourself, selecting them, and then placing them into your ad slots. AdSense is free. You won't need to pay a fee or to sign up with a credit card for the privilege of monetizing your sites with AdSense. It is free from the get-go. Another expense cut. Okay, so what other awesome things can be said about this unique advertising platform? Let's find out in our following video.